Hi YouTube, this is Trey. I'm in my pajamas and I have Angry Bird Stars Jenga Death Star battle game. This is a really cool set because it has the Death Star and it comes with an X-Wing fighter launcher and a die. The figures are in here. I'm going to take them out in a minute and show you guys. Let's take a look at the back of the box. Back of the box we have these two kids playing. Looks like they're in a ship or the Death Star somehow. Let's open it up. I opened this already, so these pieces aren't in the package and some are still attached to it. Our first character is Chewbacca Bird. He has a bigger hole. He's exclusive to this set, and Han Solo is, Luke is, Darth Vader is, and the 4 stormtroopers are, because they're all Jenga. They all have the big holes, but the pigs just have these little, these thingies on here. It's weird, really weird. First up we have Chewbacca. He's so big you can put it on your finger. This is Luke, off pilot. Actually, not pilot. I think it's an X-Wing fighter pilot. They did that in the movie. This is Han Solo Bird. You can see his gun pack right here. Vader. He's shiny. Not like the other ones. They're not shiny, but I like this one better because he's shiny. And we have 4 stormtrooper pigs. So that's all the figures. It comes with a die. In each side of the die tells you what bird you use and how many shots you get. And this is the X-Wing fighter launcher. You just want to try it out. It comes with a setup card to build the Death Star. In the back, it has directions. You should read the back because it tells you about the points you get and you have to play it right. These are the 2 pieces. I already left this piece in right here. I should really take that out. You connect it like this. We're not going to do that. Comes with, I don't know how many pieces, but it comes with a sticker thing that you put on both eye pieces, these green things, and then you put this sticker right on here. You put the stickers on the die, so when you roll them, see I got 3 Lukes. I'm going to use that as the first shot for the Death Star when I get built. You put this piece in first. That's what it says. This piece first, right up there. It's pretty tricky. I don't know how my dad taught me to do. Dad's filming the video. Why am I talking about that? I got this for my birthday and even in my pajamas. Because it's nighttime. I'm going to put this piece through. You don't put the pigs in yet. When you stand it up on the stander, then you put the pigs in. Don't put the pigs in once you have the Death Star building still. Don't put the pigs in. Stand it up and you put it, because if you put them in now and you carry it, then the pigs will fall out and maybe drag some pieces out. It happens a lot. So it has these numbers that you have to check the numbers and look for them. And on the back of them, you have to look really close, and it shows a number. The number 2 is on there. Pretty hard to see. So let's find a number 2. Should put it right here. Put it on the top. 13. The ones, there's one of the little ones, and there's things on the little ones and ones on the little ones. So you're going to have to like look at them because they're tricky. Don't just think and just put them in there because then you'll Death Star will drink. This is 2. The 2 pieces are out like that, so you don't have to check them. 5. This is 5 piece. Oh yeah, 5 piece right here. And that doesn't go that way. Don't put the little part on. Don't put this little part right here on here. Put the big part right here. Or it'll look weird if you put the little part like that. Oh man, it's too small. 4. No, not ready for 4 yet. This one's another eye piece, so I know it goes right here. It's number 7. Another 13. It takes you a long time to build this. So you should take that one. Let's have to look at the numbers. Oh, we will be done with this thing. I'm just done at the bottom. Bottom you need lots of twos. Put all the 13s in. Ready? This only comes with 2 13 little blocks. Let's get these. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Now I just have to do the little part, the top part. I already done like the bottom. What is on? When you get this, you probably know how fun it is and how cool it is. My dad got this for my birthday. He's filming this video right now. Almost finished. One more piece and then we're done. Yes. Here's the complete Death Star. Now we'll smooth the stand. Where should I put it? I'm in the kitchen. There are lots of cracks. Can I put it over there? Like facing right there? How about here? Here? Okay. Just gotta stand this baby up. Whoops. Right apart. No. Then after that, very carefully pull the step card out. Make sure to knock off the Death Star over because that would be a complete disaster. Get this tester. Don't have to pick the pigs and I almost forgot. Darth Vader is worth 3,000 points. If you knock down him, whoever knocks down the Death Star gets 5,000 points. So you want to get a piece of paper and you're going to knock him down and see who gets the most points. Stormtroopers, just 1,000. Want to get Darth Vader. Try to get Han Solo because they shoot high. Watch. Oh, bad shot. Bad shot. You respect me. No. There's star. A precious star. If Obi-Wan Kenobi would come with us, that would be awesome. Because in the movie, he goes on the Force, but he tells Luke, use the Force, Luke. And then Luke destroys Death Star. Got 3 Lukes. Did that when I was showing you the figures, and arrows get destroyed. Oh my gosh! This piece is going to fall down now. I hope I'm like hit right there and I'll get a Stormtrooper. Oh, I got a Stormtrooper. Stormtrooper over here. And we'll go. Yes! I'm going to put the pieces back in the box. I want to put the setup card in because be careful not to bend the setup card. I use this a lot and then I lose it. It's not stand. What am I Luke? Oh. Luke doesn't want to be a Stormtrooper. Shoot it and I'm good at this. Boom. Did I take these shots? Then my last shot. Let's roll again and see who we get. 2 Lukes? Why do I keep getting Lukes? I wanted Chewbacca. Chewbacca, oh. Out for him. Back up. Back up. Darn. Try this again. Hope I get lucky. 3 Lukes. Come on. This might take forever. More shots. Goodbye. This will have to wait a few minutes. We might do another video of this. Bye.